Tesla aims to start mass production of its Cybertruck at the end of 2023, 2 years after the initial target for the long-awaited pickup truck chief executive Elon Musk unveiled in 2019. Two people with knowledge of the plans told Reuters. Tesla said last month it was working on readying its Austin, Texas, plant to build the new model with early production set to start in the middle of 2023. "We're in the final lap for Cybertruck," Musk told a conference call with financial analysts. A gradual ramp in the second half of next year to full output for the sharp-angled electric truck would mean that Tesla would not be recording revenue until early 2024 for a full quarter of production on a new model expected as key to its growth. It would also mean a wait of another year for the estimated hundreds of thousands of potential buyers who have paid $100 to reserve a Cybertruck in one of the most highly anticipated and closely tracked electric vehicle launches ever. Tesla did not immediately respond to a request to comment. Tesla's shares were up 0.4% after rising as much as 4.3% earlier on Tuesday. It has not announced final pricing on the Cybertruck, showed the production version of the vehicle, or specified how it will manage the battery supply for the new model. Musk said last month the 4,680 batteries are not expected to be any limiting factor for Cybertruck or anything else. He said the battery output was growing exponentially, without giving details about the production volume. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.